Ay, okay. Okay. Ballpen ba dito? Okay. Hi everybody. Hindi ba ako naliligo? Hi, Doctor of Duty, Joey Hernandez of my life. How are you? Hi, Marco Rebote, my friend. Okay. May ano ngayon? May 3? Ay! Wrong ball pen. Maasim. Hoy, I'm not. Excuse me, kahit hindi pa ako naliligo, hindi ako maasim. Kahit ano dyan. Visit. Marco, it's tomorrow. It's not today. It's tomorrow. May 5. It's tomorrow. Hi, Ryman. Si Dindin, our friend. Ang akong friend na pretty. Hello, Melo Canlas. Ang isang friend ko din na pretty. May 4 ngayon, ano? Right? It's May 4. Kasi nagsusulat. Okay, what happened? Okay, bye.